In this tech tip, we're going to find out what True RMS means. Why is a True RMS meter recommended for voltage and current readings? If in your work all you use the meter for is to read normal sine waves as pictured here, an averaging meter will work and you will get accurate readings. If, however, you use a meter to read electronics such as ECM motors and solid-state control boards, which have irregular sine waves, you need a true RMS meter to get accurate readings. As you can see from this chart, an averaging meter will read correct voltage with a regular sine wave. However, with irregular waves such as seen in ECM motors, your reading could be 10% high to 40% low. But as you see here, a true RMS meter will read correct with all different types of sine waves. So make sure your multimeter is a true RMS meter, so your readings will be accurate.
Go to arefco.com for more videos, like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.